For growing chili into hydroponic DFT or DWC system, you must have chili plant into the net pot. So if you have prepared nursery, then you need to transplant those chili plant into net pot so that it can be go into the system. Today in this video, I am going to explain in detail about how to transplant and what care we should take and how to shift those plants into our system and what type of precaution we should take for shifting it. Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today it is the third part of the video series how to grow chili hydroponically. And today I am going to show you transplanting of the chili plant and establish them into the system. Friends, if you can see that this is my nursery and now it is ready. It has developed 3 to 4 leaves and these plants are ready for transplant. Now if you have planted the nursery into the net cup directly with the coco pit, you can shift them directly to the system. But we have done this tray method for growing the chili nursery. And today we need to shift this plant into the net pot to establish into our system. I will demonstrate you the procedure of our establishment. For establishment, first we need to take out the plant from the roots. Now if you are going to transplant with the help of coco pit, then you can keep all the coco pit sticking on the root and fill the net cup with the more coco pit so that the plant will establish it into the net cup. But we are going to use sponge because we don't want any coco pit to get into the system. So what we need to do, first we need to remove the plant from the tray. So we'll take out a couple of plants like this. You can see the healthy root system, and now we need to tap most of the coco pit out of this root system. So this will make our root little clean. Once we tap all the loose coco pit, we need to wash the remaining of the coco pit with the help of water. So what we'll do, we'll rinse it into the water also, so our root get more cleaner like this. This clean root now need to transplant. Now we are going to transplant them with the help of this sponge. And net cup what we are going to use is with the hole. Now what we need to do, we need to pass this root through the hole of this net pot so that it will go below and directly stay into the water. So what we'll do, we have just pushed this plant below with the roots. Now we need to support this plant with the sponge, and at the supporting we need to maintain the position that its stem portion remains half to 1 centimeter above the net pot at the bottom and root will go below. So for that we simply support this plant with this sponge like this. So we are carefully adjusting this plant in the position. Now we need to take out this plant little out so that its stem remains around half to 1 centimeter above the bottom of the net cup. So we are doing that. So now this is the position we have managed, where only root are at the bottom, the plant is on the top, and this completes our sowing of this plant into net pot. When you sow it with a coco pit, you can keep more root into the coco pit because it will develop the new root soon from the coco pit. In sponge, it is not going to develop new root into the sponge, so we must ensure that all the roots goes below. After that we can again wash this and make it very clean, so the no coco pit will fall into the water and contaminate our system. So once we complete sowing like this, we will keep this into a tray filled with little water until we shift it to the final position into the DFT system. So friends, this is the simple way we can transfer our plant into the net cup, and later on we are going to transfer them all into the DFT system. So let us first complete the transplantation and then we are going to transfer it to the DFT. So now friends, you can see that we have transplanted couple of chili plant into this net pot with the help of sponge. Now it is time to shift them to our DFT system and establish them. Now shifting them is very easy we just need to put this cup into the pipe. But we need to take little care before shifting. So what care we should take, that we must fill the water at least to the level that is just touching the cup. So here I will show you with the example. I am just putting this cup as a sample, and you can see that cup is written for the half centimeter. So we have maintained this half centimeter distance into this pipe so that all the cup bottom are deep into the water above half centimeter. That will give root to put immediately access to the water and start its growing. This step is very much necessary, otherwise our transplanted plant may get die. Now after transplanting like this, you can put simply all the plants into this. Now one thing we have done before transplanting is to fill the water and maintain the level. Now this water is plain water, and we are not going to put any addition of the nutrient for another 2 to 3 days till this plant develop its water root. It is very much necessary, because whatever roots this plant is having are for the cocoa-peat. So the cocoa-peat root will not react or act well into the water. For that, plant need to develop its water root. Now after 1 or 2 days, once the plant will show the sign of the new root in the form of a white root, straight roots and little thicker root, then we can start adding the nutrient. This is very important for good establishment of the plant. Another way of establishing the plant is, you can take this tray like this, put all the plants after transplanting into this, and fill this tray with half to 1 centimeter of the water. So here is a similar condition will happen, and plant will start its new roots, the water roots, into this. Once the water root is developed, you can transfer it to the DFT system or DW system. This step is very important for the DWC system, because in DWC we prepare the nutrient solution first and then put our plant into the system, where they will directly start taking the nutrition absorption. So it is important to establish the root outside. Similar way, in the DFT system, which is working and we are planning to replace few of the plant, this step is again necessary, because the nutrient water is flowing. So we must have the plant having the water roots which can absorb that nutrient. So after establishing, you can shift it, and with this simple way you can start your plant growing into your DFT or DWC system very easily. So friends, initially after the water root is set, we can give the light vegetative formula. I will give you some numbers that you can add per liter 2 gram of the NPK 19-19-19. You can add calcium nitrate 1 gram, magnesium sulfate 1 gram, and pinch of a micronutrient, and that is good enough. We'll run that water for a week. Once the plant is established well, then we will go for the specific chili formula. Now if you are interested in knowing the chili formula, I'm going to update you with a separate video in coming days with all the details up to the flowering stage, and after the flowering stage what type of nutrient we must use. But for that you need to subscribe my channel and put your bell notification button on, so that you will get the immediately informed that I have put this formula, and you can follow and growing your chili well. Meanwhile, if you have planted this growing chili and if your nursery is ready, make your transplant and establish your plant, so that when I put our formulation for the chili, you can immediately apply that and start your grow chili very vigorously. Happy growing!